Hey guys, welcome in this new video. So in this video, I want to answer a question that new traders very often ask me, probably one of the most asked question, and that is how much money should I start trading with, right? So first of all, you need to start trading on a demo account. That is very important because you want to see if you are able with your strategy to make profits before going live with a real account. So that is the first step. But let's say that this phase is already done and now you are looking to start trading with real money. So you first of all need to determine your goals about that. So you can have the goal, for example, to just have a feeling of what is trading live. So you want to see if you are able to handle that with your emotions, to see how is it trading live, the difference between a demo and a live account, and all of these things. So if that is your goal, then you don't need, a really big capital. You can start with few hundreds or few thousands. That can be very good. And you will have a good feeling of what trading live is. Now, if your goal is to make a lot of money with trading, if your goal is to live off of that, or you want to travel, or have this as a, good income for yourself, and all of these things, you will need a bigger capital. And when I say a bigger capital, it's minimum few $1,000s, right? And it's even better if you have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, but you need a good enough capital. And the reason why I'm saying this, and it's also part of the reason why I want to do this video, is because I see so many online marketers who, they will say that you can start with few hundreds and turn that into, millions and all of these things. It happened few times, right? And I doubt that you can do this. And it's not that you don't have the skills, it's not that you're not good enough, it's just mathematically very close to be impossible. And the reason why I say that is because if you want to, if you have a goal of doubling your account every month or, crazy goals like that, you will not be able to follow a good risk management, right? And if you don't follow a good risk management, you have very, very high chances of losing all of your money at one point when you will have a big drawdown. So what I'm saying here, it's not like to not motivate you guys or, down you guys or whatever. It's the truth. If you want to make a lot of money in trading and grow that account, you will need a bigger capital. Because yes, you can grow an account of few hundreds or few thousands, but like at the end of the year, you will not make a lot of money with that, right? So you really need to figure out where you are compared to your demo account if you just want to have a feeling of what trading live is, or if you really want to pursue that and make a lot of money with trading. And if that is the case, you will need a bigger capital to make that possible because I don't care what anyone says online, all of these, there are a lot of marketers, especially in trading right now. You will not be able to, live off of trading with few $100 or even few thousands in your account. You need more capital than this. So once again, it depends on where your goal is. If, for example, you just want trading to be a part-time income, so you make few hundreds per month, then you just need, few thousands, and you can easily do that, even with respecting a good risk management. So once again, it depends on where you are compared to that. And you don't especially need to start with, 20,000 or 30,000. You can start with few thousands and over time grow that account. You can do more deposit in your account to eventually have a big capital and be able to live off of trading. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So as you see in my answer to the question, there is no specific amount. It's not about, having few thousands or few tens of thousands or few hundreds. It first of all depends on you, where you stand and what are your goals with trading live. And then you can decide how much money you want to trade with, right? So if you want this to be a part-time income, you can have just few thousands and it can work very well. And if you want to live off of trading or have this as a big income, you will need a bigger capital. And here I'm talking in 5 figures. right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope that it opened your eyes. And also one thing I just want to mention before leaving is that, you know, so many times I'll see people who want to learn how to trade, and they start learning, they start buying courses, books, whatever. And then I ask them, you know, how much money do you want to start with? And they're like, oh, well, I don't have money right now to trade. And, you know, it will be hard for me to get capital. So I'm like, what's the point of learning how to trade, right? So just remember that if you want to learn this skill and if you want to make a lot of money, which is possible, you can make a lot of money trading, right? If you just look at George Soros, who made 1 billion profits, right, in one night trading the Brexit, you can make a lot of money, guaranteed. But you will need a big capital, and not a lot of people are able to get on that level. So before starting trading, evaluate yourself, where you stand and what are your goals. And then after, you will be able to make the right decisions. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with another trader so it can also help him. And yeah, I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Take care.